are bringing you a breaking news update in connection to the Delhi blast probe. Now the National Security Guard teams have been deployed to the spot. They have been rushed to the spot. This is after a low-intensity blast occurred in Delhi's Prashant Vihar area in Rohini, leaving one person slightly injured. The explosion was reported around 11:45 a.m. and a call was made to the Delhi Fire Services at 11:48 a.m. It is said to resemble the blast that took place at the CRPF school in the same area a month ago. Authorities have recovered a white powder-like substance from the site, which is under investigation. And apart from the Delhi police officials and forensic teams, the NSG, the National Security Guards, have also arrived at the spot. Those are the visuals of the blasts that took place in Prashant Vihar, the one that took place last month on October 19 near the CRPF school that caused the wall of the school to blast, and the one that has taken place this morning around 11:48 a.m. And now joining us live on the bulletin are my colleagues Piyush and Sahil, both of whom are reporting from the ground. I want to come to you first. Piyush, what details are you picking up now that NSG has also arrived at the spots?
So as you can see from the visuals over here, Kriti, that yes, there are now a team of NSG which has come over here, and they have come over here with the sniffer dogs because they want to gather as much evidences as they can of what are the substances, what is the nature of blast which has occurred over here at Prashant Vihar, which is important to be noted, has come at a place where just few weeks back, just few meters from here, there was another blast. So yes, you are witnessing that how now there is a lot of hustle and bustle over here because the team of the National Security Guards team has also arrived, and they have arrived with the sniffer dogs over here. And you can see a team of NSG from the lens of our video journalist Veer Sundar Avaji, where they are now come over here. So this is one now first central team which has come over here to investigate the matter, investigate the nature of blast, because this blast which has occurred as of now seems to be similar what occurred just few weeks back outside the boundary wall of a CRPF school. But the key question is that even as the investigation of that case is being undertaken, there has been one more blast just few meters away from that place, outside a crowded area of a PVR road, outside a crowded area of a place which is adjoining a St. Margaret School. So yes, it seems that a similar kind of tactic has been used, and thereby it becomes now very important for the officials over here to ascertain the reason of the blast. In fact, what we are going to be having a word with, we are also going to be having a word with some of the people. आप यहाँ के निवासी हैं? आपने यहाँ पे देखा था क्या हुआ था? नहीं जी, आप यहाँ के निवासी हैं? आपने देखा था?
एग्जैक्टली देखा नहीं, बट यहाँ पे माइन्यूट ब्लास्ट हुआ था एज कम्पेयर टू पिछले वाला।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
कितने बजे करीब हुआ था, कुछ पता है आपको?
करीब 1 घंटा पहले, मेरे हिसाब से 1-पौना घंटा पहले।
अच्छा, ठीक है जी। So you are witnessing over here that one more team, it seems now the bomb squad team, the bomb squad team has also arrived over here. You can see over here that along with the NSG team, now one more team of the National Security Guard has come over here. We have already seen that how a sniffer dog team has come, and along with this now a bomb squad team has also arrived at this place, where you're witnessing now that a large number of officials, not only from the Delhi police, not only from the forensic science, not only from several branches of the Delhi police, but now it seems that even the NSG, even the bomb squad team have arrived over here to find out that what exactly was the reason and what exactly was the nature of it. We are going to be having a word. आप यहाँ के लोकल हैं, आपको पता है यहाँ पे क्या हुआ था, कितने बजे करीब बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ था?
सर ये अप्रोक्स 12 बजे के आसपास हुआ था।
अच्छा।
बट मैं उस वक्त अवेलेबल नहीं था, बट मेरे स्टाफ ने मुझे बताया कि जब बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ तो यहाँ पूरा धुआं हो गया। हम सामने हमारा ऑफिस है, ये पीवीआर तक नहीं दिखाई दे रहा था यहाँ पे। हाँ, तो बहुत तेज धमाका हुआ था यहाँ पे।
इनका जो आपको लगता है कि जो टारगेट करना चाहते थे, किसको टारगेट करना चाहते हैं? यहाँ पे मैंने सुना कि स्कूल भी है।
हाँ, स्कूल तो सर स्कूल की दीवार के साथ में जो पार्क है वहीं पे हुआ था ये धमाका।
आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि बस क्यों मेरे को नहीं ध्यान है। आप यहाँ के निवासी हैं, आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? यहाँ पे मतलब कुछ मीटर्स पहले तो ब्लास्ट हुआ था, फिर से ब्लास्ट हुआ है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
बेसिकली दहशत मचाने वाली बात है। पहले भी स्कूल के बाउंड्री के पास हुआ था, ये भी लगभग स्कूल की बाउंड्री के पास में ही है, तो बड़ा मतलब डर वाला माहौल पैदा होता है एकदम से। मतलब एक आवाज भी एकदम से वैक्यूम वाली एकदम आई थी, जैसे मैं पास ही जैसे मेरी शॉप है, तो मैंने वहाँ
आपने देखा था वो ब्लास्ट?
आवाज सुनी थी हमने, मतलब एक्चुअली देखा।
आवाज क्या बड़ी दमदार थी?
दमदार तो मतलब थी, नॉर्मल जैसे होता है वो नहीं थी, जैसे नॉर्मल एक होता है कि एक क्रैकर वाली है, कोई ऐसी आवाज नहीं थी, बट कुछ आवाज बड़ी सॉलिड सी थी बड़ी।
कितने बजे करीब आपने आवाज सुनी है?
11:30-12 बजे होंगे।
और कितने बजे करीब ये सारे दिल्ली पुलिस वाले और सारे आ गए यहाँ पे?
उसके बाद हमने 12 बजे के बाद हमारे को एक बारी न्यूज इधर पहले के कोई बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट हुआ है, तो उसके बाद न्यूज में देखा, फिर हमें पता लगा कि बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट है, नॉर्मल ब्लास्ट नहीं।
So as you can see from the visuals of my video journalist, now the bomb squad team has arrived. Along with this, the officials of the National Security Guard has arrived. We have already shown you the visuals of the sniffer dogs being present over here, and you can see that now the hustle and bustle in this area is growing as now the investigation has gathered steam. You can see from the visual that how the black commandos or the National Security Guard team has come over here. They have come with their equipment, they have come with their devices because they want to ascertain and they want to make sure that there is complete and there is comprehensive investigation in this case. And you can see that now every official, whether it is the Delhi police or the National Security Guard, want to make sure first that what exactly was the nature of this blast, what exactly was the cause of this blast, and from here on they would want to make sure that they get hold of the culprits which have again tried to cause this intimidation and fear among the residents of Delhi. Back to the studio.
All right, let's also bring in Sahil at this point. All right, I believe we have lost that connection with Sahil as of now, but I want to come back to you, Piyush. Have we picked up any leads as to whether the blast was an attempt to instill fear in the minds of the people, or was it a targeted blast?
Well, as of now, it seems, because we've had a word with the locals, the nature of blast is similar. In fact, what we're going to be doing is we're also going to be having a word with some of the people over here, just to make us. आप यहाँ पे मतलब blast हुआ है, आपने देखा था blast को?
नहीं, मैंने नहीं।
We are going to be having a word with some people over here. So as you can see from the visuals, that this is the visual over here. You are already seeing that how. And you can see the movement of the officials also continues to take place over here while the investigation in this case is being undertaken. And right now, the major objective of the Delhi police, of the blast forensic team, and all those officials which are present over here, that also include the National Security Guard, is to ascertain that what is the nature of this explosion. They want to ascertain that what exactly is the nature of explosion. And you can see the movement of vehicles continue to take place at this location as the movement of officials continue to take place. I would just request the video to continue showing the visuals over here, because at the area where this explosion has taken place outside the sweet shop, which is very close to a prominent school, St. Margaret School, you are witnessing that how the officials from the National Security Guard have already arrived. The officials from the special cell are already present over here. Top officials of the Delhi Police Special Cell that have also in the past investigated bomb explosions are present over here. They are trying to find out about what exactly is the nature of explosion. Is this explosion similar? In fact, what we have been told, it is similar because the white powder substances have been found over here. But yes, what exactly is the similarity? And from that, which group is involved? Because earlier we had seen that how a group called Justice League, which claims itself to be affiliated with the Khalistani ideology, had claimed responsibility. So far, there has been no group which has claimed responsibility. But you can see that the officials are present over here. They are trying to find out about the nature of the blast. One person has received injury, and now we hope that following the investigation, they are going to come out about what was the nature of the blast, and more importantly, who was responsible for it, so that they can get hold of the culprits. Back in the studio.
All right. Thanks, Piyush, for giving us those reports. Let's also go now to Sahil, who's also at the ground. Sahil, आप स्पॉट पर है, अभी तक क्या जानकारी मिल पाई है? जो व्हाइट पाउडर मिला था वहां से, वो क्या मटेरियल है? अभी तक कुछ पता चल पाया है?
देखिए, फिलहाल अब ये साफ नहीं हो पाया है जो व्हाइट पाउडर वहां से कलेक्ट किया गया है वो क्या है, लेकिन ये भी नहीं पता चल पाया कि धमाका कितनी तेज था और आखिर किस तरह का धमाका था, उसको लेके जो है स्पॉट पे आप देख सकते हैं जो फोरेंसिक की टीम है वो आपको तस्वीरों में नजर आ रही है। वहां पे पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेट और कोई भी जो एविडेंस है वो फोरेंसिक की टीम से छूट न जाए, उस तमाम एविडेंस को जो है कलेक्ट किया जा रहा है। ये पूरा जो हिस्सा आप देख रहे हैं ये पार्क का हिस्सा है। अब जो विकास विजय एक बार तस्वीर दिखाएं बाएं ओर, क्योंकि जो ब्लास्ट है वो पार्क की वॉल पे हुआ है जहां से हम कुछ कदमों की दूरी पे मौजूद है और अभी भी उस साइड पे फोरेंसिक की टीम वहां पर मौजूद आपको नजर आ रही होगी। और फोरेंसिक की टीम के अलावा जो एनएसजी की टीम है वो स्पॉट पे पहुंच चुकी है। स्पेशल सेल के तमाम जो सीनियर ऑफिसर है वो स्पॉट पे हैं। साथ ही ये तस्वीर देखिए, राइट साइड पे एक प्राइवेट स्कूल है। प्राइवेट स्कूल से चंद कदमों की दूरी पे जो है ये ब्लास्ट हुआ है, क्योंकि हमने कुछ आई विटनेस से बातचीत करी तो उन्होंने यही कहा कि 1:30 बजे इसी प्राइवेट स्कूल की छुट्टी हुई, बच्चे सभी बाहर निकलते हैं, लेकिन 11:30 बजे के आसपास जो है धमाका होता है। स्कूल से फोन आता है टीचर्स का कि बच्चों को अपने अपने घर ले जाए क्योंकि स्कूल के पास जो है जोरदार धमाका हुआ है, जिसके बाद तमाम जो पेरेंट्स है वो डर जाते हैं और पूरे इलाके में जो अफरा तफरी का माहौल बन जाता है और उसके बाद जो पुलिस टीम का जो आने का सिलसिला वो शुरू हो जाता है। लेकिन अभी तक ये साफ नहीं हो पाया कि किस तरह का ये धमाका है, लेकिन माना जरूर जा रहा है कि जिस तरह से पिछले महीने प्रशांत विहार के सीआरपीएफ स्कूल की वॉल के पास धमाका हुआ था, वहां से भी व्हाइट पाउडर मिला था, व्हाइट पाउडर का गुब्बार जो था वो देखने को मिला था, उससे कहीं ना कहीं सिमिलर लग रहा है। लेकिन अभी कहना जल्दबाजी होगी क्योंकि उस मामले में जो है पुलिस टीम जो है वो जांच कर रही है, टेरर यूनिट जांच कर रही है, इसके अलावा तमाम एजेंसी अभी फिलहाल स्पॉट में। अब ये देखिए एनआईए की टीम आपको ये स्पॉट पे नजर आ रही होगी, इसी जगह पे जो है वो यहाँ पर ब्लास्ट हुआ है और इसी ब्लास्ट की इन्वेस्टिगेट करने के लिए एनआईए के जो अधिकारी है वो यहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं। बॉम्ब स्क्वाड यहाँ पे टीम पहुंची है, डॉग स्क्वाड की टीम यहाँ पे पहुंची है, क्योंकि इलाका जो है काफी ज्यादा चहल पहल वाला है, रेजिडेंशियल एरिया है। अब कहीं ना कहीं इस ब्लास्ट से अब लोगों में भी डर का माहौल बना है कि पहले भी धमाका होता है, अचानक से ये धमाका होता है, कहीं ना कहीं साजिश तो नहीं है और कहीं ना कहीं लोगों के दिल में दहशत बनाने का माहौल तो नहीं है।
जी साहिल, धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए आपका। Thanks to you also, Piyush, for bringing us those detailed reports from the ground. With that, viewers, we will move on. We are bringing you continuous coverage of all the latest updates that we are bringing you in connection to the blast that has taken place in Delhi's Prashant Vihar area near a school there and also near the PVR cinemas. The blast took place adjacent to the park on your screens, causing a huge plume of smoke.